Always living on the outside, never had no place to hide, feeling so alone. I got this thing dead to rights, ain't giving in without a fight, how the years have flown. Me and the boys, we never lost control. It's one for all, we take care of our own. Me and the boys just wanna rock, there's some things you'll never stop. We got it and we're never letting go. Just me and the boys. Me and the boys, we make a big noise. We gotta roll. Me and the boys, we don't got a choice. It's in our soul. Oh, me and the boys.
They feel smooth.
You get like a fucking.
They carb pretty good.
Card in there. You can record continuously for that long.
How's the response?
Good. Getting low voltage, ready? Oh.
So they're amp hungry?
No, my packs are old.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, feels good.
Yeah, they rip, huh? Final thoughts?
Good. They're fast. They carb. Hard.
Carve? You ain't snowboarding, pal.
Going in the turn?
Everybody's got it.
Yeah, they draw some amps, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good.
Nice.
I like them.
Cool.
I'd fly them.
I just turned off.
Definitely. Beat your ass in that track with them.
Just me and the boys. We make a big noise. We gotta roll. Me and the boys, we don't got a choice. It's in our soul.
Nice and smooth.
Nice.
No jitters in like my FPV, which is like in my camera, you know, which is like important for me. You know?
Absolutely, for everybody, absolutely. A smooth prop's a smooth prop.
Yeah, like yeah, I like it definitely.
Nice.
Feels good. I don't have to give it so much juice.
Right. Final thoughts?
Very nice.
All right, cool.
I'm definitely a fan.
Take care of our world. Me and the boys just wanna rock. There's some things you'll never stop. We got it and we're never letting go. Just me and the boys. Me and the boys, we make a big noise. We gotta roll. Me and the boys, we don't got a choice.
What do you think at first impression?
I don't know yet.
Show's so good because I had it going on behind you while you were flying it.
Who's got no control?
We don't got a choice. It's in our soul. Just me and the boys. We make a big noise. We gotta roll. Me and the boys. We don't got a choice. It's in our soul.
Are very smooth. One of the most important things I do like to look for in props is I have low end, I do have a heavy ass quad, so I need some of that good low end, which it does have. Turning radius is good. And line to the tree. There you go. Oh, low end is really good. I like the low end. The recovery was good. These are slightly more efficient. Those are the most, most rugged prop, which is not really my forte. I prefer the prop to break than my whole motor bell. I'm digging it.
Cool.
I'm digging it. It's in the same fenders in the Paul.
Nice. Final thoughts?
My battery's dead.